Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to gain followers on Instagram. Gaining followers on Instagram requires a combination of strategy, consistency, and engagement. 1. Optimize your profile. Use a good, high-quality profile picture and make sure your username is easy to find and your bio is clearly describes who you are. You can also include a link of your website. 2. Post consistently. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Aim for at least 3 to 4 posts per week. Best time to post is using Instagram Insights to know that. 3. Use hashtags wisely. Use a mix of trending, niche, and branded hashtags. Don't overdo it. Around 5 to 10 relevant hashtags work well. Research popular hashtags in your niche to help new people discover your posts. And that's it, guys. So it's all about the contests. You can also give giveaways, collaborate with others, and post high quality content. Will make you authentic, which will help you building a loyal following on Instagram. Takes time, but it will be consistent when you're spending much effort in it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.